What commands do you use to run your Cypress tests? Do you go by the book, so using npx cypress open to open the Cypress interface and then run your spec files one by one? Or do you go and do npx cypress run to run your spec files in headless mode and then get the report? Or you do bigger commands where you select only a specific spec file to run. What if I told you there's a nice way to customize the way or to customize the commands that you run to run your Cypress tests? Since Cypress is in the end a node application, if you go to your package.json, you have a scripts section. And in the script section, you can actually write custom commands. So I put here open mode, and run one. So this open mode, if I do npm run open mode, it will actually do npx cypress open. If I do npm run run mode, it will do npx cypress run. And if I do npm run one, it will actually run only the first spec file, or this spec file here. With this, I think you can already see the possibilities. You can have custom scripts that run only your progression suits, that run only specific tests. You can basically make up your own commands. Maybe you just do npm run super mode, release mode, whatever mode. Give it a go. Write in the description, write in the comments what you think about it. And as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.